If you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and on here we do hauls. We do Temu, Dollar Tree, Five Below. If I have subscription boxes, which I haven't been doing lately, but let's see, anything except for like Amazon. Because Amazon, you know, I only do like basic stuff on Amazon, so it's boring stuff you don't want to see. Okay, so today I have a Temu haul for you. It's not a big haul, but it's big enough to film a video for. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is what I got from the local warehouse, which it actually looks small to me. It might just be the packaging, but hopefully it's big enough because I have gotten a pair of these and they look like they were for kids. I got a new headset for my fiance. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if he's gonna like these or not, because they're kind of, I don't want to say they're flimsy, but they're kind of, you know, not super great. You know what I mean? I don't think he's gonna like these, to be honest. Let's see if they fit. Yeah, they fit. But I don't know. I mean, he might just be happy that he's got them, because he's got a pair that's got like tape all over them and he's had for years. It comes with USB plug, charger or whatever, and then it comes with the adapter. So that's good. I think I only paid like $10, so it's not a big deal. It's not like I paid $40 for it. Okay, so, next up, I wanted to show you, this also came from a local warehouse as well. This is a mini doorbell, like the Ring. I just wanted it because, well, the doorbell, not so much, because I wasn't sure if like the doorbell like actually recorded shit, or you have to hit the button to record it. Because if you have to hit the button to record it, the doorbell thing is kind of useless to me. Well, not really. Like, I can see who's at the door, but, you know, but not for the purpose that I wanted, basically. But it comes with a little instruction booklet. It does come with, like, a little patch so you could tape it up. And then it does come with a charger. Which, why do I need a charger? Oh, well, I guess that's kind of weird. Like, maybe you have to do that. I don't know. Because I have a neighbor downstairs, and they have one of these, and I never see them, like, take it off and charge it or anything. So, I don't know. I just thought that was weird. But this is what it looks like. It is tiny, and as I was saying, you just hold this, and it rings. And then this is where you can speak into it. It has a USB, so you don't have to go to the door, you know. So I'll give that a shot, you know. We'll see if it actually works. Next up, I did get 4 cameras. Please, before you order, make sure you check everything. Don't just look at the description, because these said they were wireless, right? So I was like, okay, cool. I want them outside, because I'm not going to say who, but some people be doing some shit. And I wanted it on camera, so if shit goes down, then I got proof that they've been acting out. But anyway, so I wanted to put 2 out here. One for the car, and then one in case they act out. And so when it said wireless, I was like, cool. It's wireless or whatever, I could use them. Put 2 out here, and then 2 in the room, or in the apartment. They are not wireless. They lied. So you get the plug here, you get a USB plug, and on top of that, I didn't know this, but you need a card, a SD card. Well, technically you don't, because I read some of the reviews and you could do an iCloud subscription, so you don't need the cards. But the problem is this always has to be plugged in. I tried the other one and the camera does work, so it looks cool. It's not the best picture, but it looks cool or whatever, and they do work. But the only problem is they need to be plugged in, and I don't have a plug out on my balcony, so they're useless to me. I did try to get a refund, and they said they would give me a partial refund and I don't have to return them, or for a full refund I have to return them. I'm going to return them because I can't, I mean I can use them in the apartment, but I really want it for outside. So that kind of sucks. Because it does say in the description, I went back, it does say wireless blah blah blah, but if you look in like all the pictures and you scroll and stuff like that, it says it has to be plugged in now. I didn't read that. I just seen wireless. I was like, yep, I want it. So that kind of sucks. Okay, so next up, I did get a sweater. I've actually had this in my, ooh, it's soft too. I've actually had this in my cart for a long time. I believe I have another one just like this, but it's a different color. And it is a hoodie. Yeah, it's nice and soft. It feels like fleece, but like a thin fleece. You know, maybe even softer than fleece. Let's see. It says 100% polyester. It does not feel like polyester. But I will say it is thin. I don't know if you can see my hand through this, but it is, you know, thin. But that's fine. It still feels like it's going to be warm though, you know what I mean? Like, not if it's like pouring down or whatever, you ain't going to want to wear just this. But yeah, I like it. It's cool. Because I think the other one is like a burgundy one, if I remember correctly. Okay, so that's nice. Let's see, next up is a t-shirt. I think it's probably about half and half, clothes and other stuff. Okay, this is a bright pink shirt, but that's fine. I don't mind having a bright. I like bright colors, so I don't mind it. I did have like a purple one too, but I decided on the pink one. And I'm glad I got the pink one, because I think the purple one was like a lilac purple, I think. So, you know, I like brighter better, so that's cool. The only thing, so you have to watch out for the pink shirts too, because if you don't like bright colors, you're going to be disappointed, because I think every single pink shirt I've gotten is like a hot pink. It says 95% polyester and 5% spandex, which is cool. You know, it kind of has that fakey feeling, but not as bad as some of the shirts I've gotten. It feels soft, but it feels like that shiny feeling, you know. So that's fine, as long as it's not like a fake one. Like, I got one that super, it feels plastic, and it's sad because I really do like that shirt. Okay. Here, let me try to get something that's not a shirt. Okay, next up. Okay, I got these shoelaces, right? Because, oh, okay. So they are regular shoelaces. Okay. Is it just one pair? Yeah, it's just one pair. Okay, they are regular shoelaces or whatever. But the reason why I got them is because they come with these. I'm going to open one. And these are metal. They're not like plastic. I thought they were going to be plastic. But these are metal, right? So what you do is you put the end in here. How do you do it? Wait, I gotta see how you can do it. I think that's how it goes. Well, I have to figure it out. Essentially what you do, you put this in here, right? So it hides this part. And so I'll put a picture up here so you can see what it does. So it hides this part. So like you're not going to have like strings hanging off your shoes and you're going to trip over your shoestrings. So I got this because one of my cats, Velvet, she loves string. So like if she finds a string, she's going to chew it up. And she'll chew it up in like 2 seconds. She's been chewing my fiance's shoestrings. And so like his shoestrings are like all jacked up now. Okay, next up is another t-shirt. I think this is the last clothes thing. It's not opening up for me. Why not? Of course the little thing broke off. Whatever. Okay. So I got this shirt. It's cute. The shirt is soft, nice and soft, but the vinyl is, you know. But I thought it was cute. This is 60% polyester, 35% rayon, and 5% spandex. Okay, so I'm satisfied with that. Okay. Next up, I did get these pigment powders because I want to start making soaps, and I thought this would be cool. And I got like, I thought it showed like 10 of them in a row, and then it said I was going to get 8, but I have like 15, almost 20 of them. There's blue, red, purple, orange, gold, green, white. So yeah, there's lots of colors. I got this for maybe my shop. I'm debating whether to do the soap or not. I just want to like try it and see if I like it. Okay. Next up, oh okay, I did get some screen protectors for my phone because I got one from Five Below and it's already peeling up, or unpeeling, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and it came with 4. Okay, cool. Because it said gel, and I was like, gel? But it's thin. It's, you know, cool. It's not a plastic one. Usually I get a plastic one. But that's fine. And then it comes with little wipes. And then it comes with this little thing to scrape the bubbles out. So that's good. I'll definitely be putting this on tonight after I'm done with this video. That's nice. Okay, I lied. There is one more clothing thing. I forgot, but it's not a shirt or nothing. Oh, okay, good. Okay, so I can't remember which Temu haul, but there was a Temu haul where I showed some panties that I got. They are so comfortable. They were like all floral, different colors. They are super comfortable. And my fiance likes them on me. So I wanted to get some more. So what I did was I went back to my order and made sure I clicked on the shop that had those, because I like the material because they're very soft. And they have a whole bunch of different types. Like they have different 401s, different from the ones I got. They have like plain color ones, but I seen these and I wanted these ones. They look bigger than they actually are though. I will tell you that. But once you put them on or whatever, they're going to be the right size. Animal print ones. And I just had to get these. So, you got these ones. You got a white cheetah or leopard. Then you got this one. And then you got this one. And then you got, oh, whoa, there's more. Then you got this one. And then you got this one. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is 6. Okay, I was like, I thought it was 6, but it seemed like I showed you 6 already. But yes, and these feel like the same material as my other one, my 401s. Let's see. I can't remember if there was a tag that said what it was. Yes, 94 polyester, 6 elastane, and that's the same as my floral ones too. So yeah, I'm gonna get more too. I really like these. These are nice. They might look like granny underwear, but they are really comfortable. So, you know, every girl needs to have some granny panties. So, okay, here. And then I think the last thing. Yeah, this is the last thing. The last thing is a ring. I hope it's the right size. Or I hope it fits me, because I don't know exactly what my size is. The only thing about the rings is if you're a half size, you have to go a size up. And I think that's what I am. I think I might be an 8.5, because I got this in an 8. And it's a turquoise ring. I thought it was cute. And I did want a turquoise ring. I have gotten one, but it's like really bulky. And so I regret getting it. Yeah, I think I'm an 8.5. Even though the ring sizer says I'm 7.5. That's why I got an 8. But apparently I'm not. Apparently I'm an 8.5. Because this is like super tight on me. So I'm going to have to use it as a pinky ring. Not a pinky ring, a thumb ring. Like this one. Oh well. It's okay. I'll probably end up buying the bigger size for these. Which sucks because it's like, if you go up, it's going to be loose on you, you know. I don't know. But then, you know, what are you going to do? Okay, so that's my haul. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.